Hi, this is Nathan at Rain Networks. Thanks for watching our video series on the setup of Macrium SiteManager. Hopefully you watched our first couple videos that walk through the setup and initial configuration, and the following videos will go through the steps necessary to configure a backup job. Now that we've logged into SiteManager for the first time, our first task is to start to get agents installed on any machine that we want to get backed up with Macrium. We can install agents in a few different ways. I'm going to introduce a few different concepts here on methods you can use to install agents. You just want to pick the method that is most convenient for you. Okay, so we're going to start out in the computer section on the left side. And we want to have any machine that we intend to have backed up with Macrium, we want that machine to be listed here, and that gets done by installing an agent and getting the agent communicating with Macrium SiteManager. I'll show you a few different ways to do this by starting with this Add button here in the upper left. When we click this, we're presented with this menu. The idea here is Macrium's offering to push agents to machines for you. The push install is great because obviously then you don't have to go to each machine individually. And Macrium will literally just push the agents out. They will install silently and you'll have the machines connected. We have many customers that buy, 20, 50, 100 licenses, and if they're on a domain network, they can quickly use the Add Domain Computers option here, click Next, put in their Windows domain info. We will then pull the listed machines from their Active Directory users and computers. They can select the machines that they want the agent installed on, and we will quickly push out the agent to the selected machines. You can literally install dozens and dozens of agents in a matter of minutes using the Active Directory push method. I don't happen to be on an Active Directory network on my test machine here, so I'm going to do it a couple different ways. I could have Macrium search our network for network computers, or I can add in computers individually and have Macrium push the agent to the computers. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put in the IP address of the machine that I want Macrium to push the agent to. And when I click Next, Macrium will go ahead and make a handshake with that machine, tell us that this machine can now be managed with Site Backup. And I have added this machine now as an option. Once I get the machine listed here, I click this checkbox and click Install Agent on the top menu. This will now push the agent out to the machine. It will do a silent install of the agent. And this is a great way to get your agents installed. You'll see here that this just takes a matter of minutes and the agent will get installed on the computer and away we go. I do also want to mention that you can manually install an agent. That's very easy to do as well. I love to push the agents when and whenever possible, but sometimes you'll just want to go to a machine and install an agent. So I want to show you that method as well. Okay, you can see my method here where I pushed it to the machine is done. It is saying I need to reboot this computer that I've installed the agent on. I can do that at some point in the future. I don't need to do it right away. And I can actually configure backups and utilize backups before that reboot is done. It just needs to be done at some point in the future. But let me show you how to manually install an agent as well so that you both know the push method and a manual installation. So first of all, I want to start by telling you where to get your agent files. This is in Windows Explorer. If you go to Program Files, Macrium, SiteManager, and to the Agent Files directory, you'll get this set of files. And what I would recommend is grabbing both this Macrium Agent MSI and also the Agent Config tool. Grab both of these files. I've went ahead and plopped them on my desktop here. I don't need to do the install because I've already installed on this machine, but if you run this MSI right here, it's less than 60 seconds and it will run through and get the agent installed. You then need to point the agent to your site manager. That is done with the config tool. Okay, so if I double click on the config tool, I'll get a screen that looks like this. I recommend clicking the Enable Remote Install, which will enable this particular machine to do a remote install. And then here under your connection, you want to add the IP address of the machine that you have the SiteManager installed on. Click Add, and then you want to test that your communication is good by selecting the machine. Go ahead and uncheck that and hit Test, and you can see here that it will go ahead and do a network handshake confirming that Macrium can talk to SiteManager with this agent. You'll notice here that Macrium uses TCP port 51515 for all agent communication. This is key because in some cases we'll see a security tool like a Sentinel-1 or something of that nature that blocks that TCP port. You want to make sure that that port is open and available in your security tool. Once you've completed this process, you can click Save and Exit down here in the lower right, and it will save your agent communication. So that's just a couple of different ways that you can get the agent installed on your machines, but you do need to do that first because in order to set up backup jobs, agents have to be installed and machines need to be available here in the computer section of SiteManager.